Well, the good news is this whole song is only on the E string. The bad news is my make-believe girlfriend just broke up with me. So start with your middle finger on the 6th fret of the high E string. You're going to play that once. Back down to the 5th. 5, 6, 6. Take it up 2 frets. Now we're going to alternate. It's the same rhythm. We're going to alternate between the 8th fret and the 7th fret. Play that again. I'm going to go up 1 fret. Each finger goes up 1 fret. So starting on the 9th fret and going to back to the 8th. Then up 2 frets. So we're doing 11 and 10. You're done.
If you'd like to support me and see more videos, make sure to subscribe, be my patron on Patreon, and gently caress the like button. It's been smashed and slapped enough.